In this part we will understand how to install Express, and also we'll write some small code for hello world. So Express is lightweight and flexible, a routing framework with minimal core features. So let me install Express, npm install Express. Now we need to create a one file, new file, and give any name, server.js, and let's open in your code editor. Let me write some code for hello world. So first we need to I'm using a get function. So this is the URL and it's a home directory we're gonna use. Now we need to run this app